How to change language in Kling AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are in Kling AI and want to change the app language, then the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure to open up the Kling AI application on your device and make sure that you're signed in. After you are inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner from the home screen. In the expanded menu that appears on the next page, tap on Language. Now from the list of available languages, choose the one you want to change to. The languages include Korean, Chinese, and so on. Just go ahead and choose the language you want to change to, and there you go. If you ever want to change back to the language once again, you can tap on the menu button at the top left, select the language option which is over here, and choose the language option one more time. So immediately after making the selection, your language will be changed. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.